Have you ever watched your ice cream melt on a hot day? Everything melts if it gets hot enough. But what melts first? Ice, butter, chocolate, or even gold? Let's find out. Let's imagine we heat things up, degree by degree. At 0 degrees Celsius, the ice cube melts. Goodbye, ice. Next, at about 32 degrees Celsius, butter melts. That's like a warm summer day. Then, chocolate melts around 35 degrees Celsius. That's why it melts in your hand. But gold and iron? Oh, they're tough. Gold melts at 1064 degrees Celsius, and iron at a whopping 1538 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than lava. When things get hotter, their tiny particles, called molecules, start to dance faster and faster. When they move so much that they can't stay in place anymore, boom, they melt. That's why solids turn into liquids when heated. But guess what? Not everything melts at the same temperature. Ice melts super fast at 0 degrees Celsius. Easy peasy. Chocolate melts at about 35 degrees Celsius. That's body temperature. That's why chocolate melts in your hand but not in the fridge. But candle wax needs about 60 degrees Celsius to melt, hotter than tap water. And metal? Whoa! Gold needs over 1000 degrees Celsius, and iron needs over 1500 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than a volcano. Some things, like tungsten, don't melt until over 3500 degrees Celsius. That's almost as hot as stars. Melting isn't just about chocolate and butter. Glaciers and icebergs melt when Earth gets warmer. This can make sea levels rise. Even roads can melt during heat waves. Some artists even make sculptures from ice or chocolate, on purpose. Did you know the hottest lava on Earth can melt rock and metal? And if you went near the sun, even gold would melt instantly. But in space, far from stars, things stay frozen forever. Lightning is so hot it can melt sand into glass in 1 second. In Antarctica, the ice is so cold it almost never melts, even in summer. There's a type of metal called gallium that melts in your hand, just like magic. And on Venus, it's so hot that metal would melt like butter. So next time your ice cream melts, remember, you just saw science in action. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget, science is cool and hot at the same time.